Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're gonna talk about the Oppo F21s Pro. This is the Pro version of the Oppo F21s. In this video I'm gonna tell you the expected price in Pakistan, expected price in dollars, retail price in Pakistan, retail price in dollars, and much more things like detailed specification. In the detailed specification we're gonna tell you the built-in quality, frequency range, processor, display. In the display we're going to talk about the technology of the display, size of the display, resolution, protection, extra feature, memory, built-in quality of memory, they support any micro SD card, yes or not, camera, main camera, features, outside camera, front camera, connectivity features, Bluetooth, GPS, radio, and the features of the sensor, audio, browsing, messaging, and lastly the battery capacity. And here we have some more things like prices and the rating on that variant. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notifications of my videos. So let's get started with the video. So here we have the Oppo F21s Pro. The price in Pakistan will be 69,999. that will be almost 70,000, and the price in the dollars will be $316. So the Oppo F21s Pro expected to be launched on December 31, 2022. This is the 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage variant of the Oppo, which is available in the global and the local market. So if you want to compare your previous phone with this variant, you can click on this link. This link show you the comparison, and you can just name your enter your previous phone name. That will be show you the detailed comparison with the detailed specification. And if you want to buy some accessories of the variant of Oppo F21s Pro, you can click on this link. This link show you the different accessories like hand-free charger, headphone, back cover, and Gorilla Glass front and Gorilla Glass of the protection in the black color and blue color. You can buy it online, and here we gonna start the video from the detailed specification. So in the detailed specification, here we have the built-in quality of Android 12 OS that will be updated up to 13, and the UI design will be Color OS 12.1. This is the best Color OS, the 12.1, and the dimension are not available because of the marketing terminologies. And here we have a weight of 181 grams. SIM will be dual SIM standby nano SIM. Colors will be various. Frequency will be a 2G, 3G, 4G broadband, SIM 1, SIM 2, GSM of 850, 900 and 1800 also. And here we have the processor of CPU. CPU will be the 2.4 GHz of octa-core chipset, will be the Snapdragon of 680, and the GPU will be the Adreno 610. Now we're gonna discuss about the display. So the display will be the technology of AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 1B color and multi-touch size, 6.43 inches of screen with the resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels, that will be 409 ppi. Extra features will be 90 Hz, and the protection will be Gorilla Glass 5. And here we have the memory of built-in quality of 128GB, internal storage memory, built-in 8GB of RAM, and the card will be micro SD card supported up to 1 TB. The camera will be the main camera of triple camera setup of 64 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel with LED flashlight. Other features will be geotagging, touch focus, face detection, video in HDR, video in 4K 1080p resolution, and the front camera will be the 32 megapixels with the same resolution. And here we have some connectivity features like WLAN, Bluetooth, GPS, and the battery capacity of lithium-ion no removable battery of 4500 mAh with the fast charging support of 33 watts. So hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks.